Are you struggling to master Python string manipulation for your next certification or technical interview? In this video, we will cover Python string handling mastery, practice questions and detailed explanations. Master Python string handling with this comprehensive practice test. In this video, we dive deep into 30 comprehensive practice questions covering everything from basic slicing to advanced formatting and built-in methods. These questions are designed to mimic real-world exam scenarios to help you build confidence and precision. Grab a pen and paper, and let's see how many you can get right. What is the result of attempting to change a character in a string using s0 equals x? Option A. The string is successfully updated. Option B. A type error is raised. Option C. A value error is raised. Option D. The operation is ignored silently. The correct answer is B. In Python, strings are immutable objects. This means that once a string object is created in memory, its contents cannot be modified in place. Any operation that appears to modify a string, like replace or upper, actually returns a new string object. Attempting to assign a new value to a specific index using the assignment operator equals triggers a type error because the __setItem___ method is not implemented for string objects. Given s equals Python, what does s1 to 4 return? Option A, pyt. Option B, yth. Option C, ytho. Option D, pyth. The correct answer is B. Python slicing uses the syntax start, stop. The start index is inclusive, while the stop index is exclusive. For s equals Python, the indices are p0, y1, t2, h3, o4, n5. Therefore, s1 to 4 starts at index 1, y, and goes up to but does not include index 4, o, resulting in yth. Which method removes whitespace from both the beginning and the end of a string? Option A, trim. Option B, remove. Option C, strip. Option D, clean. The correct answer is C. The strip method is specifically designed to remove leading and trailing whitespace characters, including spaces, tabs, and newlines. While other languages like JavaScript or Java use trim, Python uses strip. You can also use lstrip for leading whitespace only or rstrip for trailing whitespace only. What is the output of apple find p2? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, -1. Option D, none. The correct answer is B. The find method searches for a substring and returns the lowest index where it is found. The second argument is the start position. In apple, the p characters are at indices 1 and 2. Since we told Python to start searching from index 2, it finds the p located exactly at index 2 and returns that value. What is the result of the expression py plus thon *2? Option A, Python Python. Option B, Pythonthon. Option C, PyPython. Option D, error. The correct answer is B. In Python, operator precedence dictates that multiplication * happens before addition. plus the string thon is multiplied by 2 first, resulting in thonthon. Then py is concatenated to that result, giving pythonthon. What does Hello World title return? Option A, Hello World. Option B, Hello World. Option C, Hello World. Option D, Hello World. The correct answer is C. The title method returns a version of the string where every word is title cased. This means the first character of every word is capitalized and the remaining characters in each word are lowercase. In Hello World, both H and W are capitalized. How do you reverse a string S using slicing? Option A, S, reverse. Option B, S, -1 to 0. Option C, S, -1. Option D, S, 0, -1, -1. The correct answer is C. The slice syntax, start, stop, step, allows for a negative step. By using S, -1, you are telling Python to go through the entire string. Start and stop are omitted, with a step of -1, which effectively traverses the string backwards, creating a reversed copy. Which of the following is an example of an F string in Python? Option A, value is val. Option B, value is %s %val. Option C, value is format val. Option D, str, value is val. The correct answer is A. F strings, formatted string literals, were introduced in Python 3.6. They are prefixed with F or F and use curly braces to evaluate expressions directly inside the string. It is generally the most readable and fastest way to format strings in modern Python. What is the output of 123 is digit? Option A, 123. Option B, true. Option C, false. Option D, error. The correct answer is B. The is digit method returns true if all characters in the string are digits and there is at least one character. Since 123 contains only numeric characters, it returns the Boolean value true. Which escape character represents a new line in Python? Option A, T. Option B, B. Option C, N. Option D, R. The correct answer is C. In Python strings, the backslash is used to escape characters. N represents a new line feed. T represents a horizontal tab, and R represents a carriage return. What happens when you call ABC split? Option A, A, B, C. Option B, A, B, C. Option C, ABC. Option D, ABC. The correct answer is B. The split method takes a delimiter and splits the string into a list of substrings based on that delimiter. The result of ABC split single quote dash single quote is a list A, B, C. What is the output of join A, B, C? Option A, ABC. Option B, ABC. Option C, ABC. Option D, ABC. The correct answer is B. The join method is called on a separator string and takes an iterable, like a list, as an argument. It concatenates the elements of the iterable, placing the separator between them. Thus, it produces ABC. What does ABC swap case return? Option A, ABC. Option B, ABC. Option C, ABC. Option D, ABC. The correct answer is C. The swap case method converts all uppercase characters to lowercase and all lowercase characters to uppercase in the given string. A becomes A, B becomes B, and C becomes C. How do you check if the substring test exists in string S? Option A, S contains test. Option B, test in S. Option C, exists test S. Option D, S. Has test. The correct answer is B. Python uses the in operator for membership testing. Expression x in S returns true if x is a substring of S and false otherwise. Python does not have a contains method for strings. Which function returns the number of characters in a string? Option A, S, length. Option B, sizes. Option C, lens. Option D, counts. The correct answer is C. The len function is a built-in Python function that returns the length, the number of items, of an object. For a string, it returns the number of characters. It is not a method of the string class, so s.len would fail. What is the output of Python replace pj? Option A, Jython. Option B, Python. Option C, J. Option D, error. The correct answer is A. The replace old, new method returns a copy of the string where all occurrences of the old substring are replaced by the new substring. Here, P is replaced by J, resulting in Jython. What does .2f format 3.14159 result in? Option A, 3.1. Option B, 3.14. Option C, 3.141. Option D, 3. The correct answer is B. In Python string formatting, the syntax .2f inside a replacement field indicates a floating point number formatted to 2 decimal places. The .2 specifies precision, and f specifies fixed point notation. What is the primary use of a raw string, e.g., arc news? Option A, to encrypt the string. Option B, to treat backslashes as literal characters rather than escape characters. Option C, to make the string immutable. Option D, to allow multi-line input without triple quotes. The correct answer is B. Raw strings, prefixed with R or R, treat backslashes as literal characters. This is extremely useful for Windows file paths or regular expressions where backslashes are common, and you want to avoid them being interpreted as escape sequences, like N for newline. What is the result of banana count N? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 0. The correct answer is B. The count method returns the number of non-overlapping occurrences of a substring. In banana, the substring n occurs twice, once starting at index 1, banana, and once starting at index 3, banana. Which method checks if a string ends with a specific suffix? Option A, suffix. Option B, has underscore extension. Option C, ends with. Option D, finish with. The correct answer is C. The ends with suffix method returns true if the string ends with the specified suffix. Otherwise it returns false. This is commonly used for checking file extensions. E.g., filename ends with py. How does Python compare two strings, e.g., apple less than banana? Option A, by length. Option B, lexicographically based on Unicode values. Option C, by the number of vowels. Option D, strings cannot be compared using less than. The correct answer is B. Python compares strings lexicographically, alphabetical order, using the Unicode code point values of the characters. Since A has a lower Unicode value than B, apple less than banana evaluates to true. How are multi-line strings typically defined in Python? Option A, using single quotes and n. Option B, using triple quotes. Or Option C, using the multi keyword. Option D, using parentheses around each line. The correct answer is B. Triple quotes. Either 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes allow a string to span multiple lines. This preserves all whitespace and new lines exactly as they are typed in the source code. What does hello lstrip return? Option A, hello. Option B, hello. Option C, hello. Option D, hello. The correct answer is C. The lstrip method stands for left strip. It removes all leading whitespace characters from the left side of the string but leaves the right side whitespace intact. What is the difference between find and index methods? Option A, they are identical. Option B, find returns -1 if not found, while index raises a value error. Option C, index returns -1 if not found, while find raises a value error. Option D, index only works on lists, not strings. The correct answer is B. Both find and index return the first position of a substring. However, their error handling differs. Find returns -1 if the substring is missing, making it safer for simple checks. Index raises a value error, which requires exception handling. Try except if you aren't sure the substring exists. Which method converts a string into a bytes object? Option A, decode. Option B, bytes. Option C, encode. Option D, convert. The correct answer is C. To transform a string, Unicode, into a bytes object, binary data, you use the encode method. By default, it uses UTF-8 encoding. Conversely, you use decode on a bytes object to get a string back. What is the result of Python 3 feet isonym. Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, error. Option D, none. The correct answer is A. The isonym method returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric, either letters or numbers, and there is at least one character. Python 3 feet consists of letters and a digit, so it returns true. What is the output of hello, lower, I supper? Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, error. Option D, none. The correct answer is B. This is method chaining. First, hello, lower, converts the string to hello. Then, hello, I supper, is called. Since hello is all lowercase, I supper returns false. How do you center the string test in a field of 10 characters? Option A, test middle, 10. Option B, test center, 10. Option C, center, test, 10. Option D, test align, 10. The correct answer is B. The center width method returns a centered string of the specified width. Padding is done using the specified filchar. Default is an ASCII space. What does $s%user do? Option A, raises a syntax error. Option B, prints $s. Option C, returns $user. Option D, returns $s_user. The correct answer is C. This is the old-style string formatting using the modulo % operator. %s acts as a placeholder for a string. The value user is injected into the placeholder. What is the result of coding 1 to 100? Option A, an index error is raised. Option B, ODING. Option C, coding. Option D, single quote, empty string. The correct answer is B. One of the unique features of Python slicing is that it is out-of-bounds safe. If the stop index exceeds the actual length of the string, Python simply stops at the end of the string instead of raising an index error. Coding 1 to 100 starts at index 10 and goes to the end. That concludes our 30-question practice run on Python string handling. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python certification prep content. For the full practice exam and more advanced Python resources, check the link in the description below.